For today's recipe, here I've taken 250 grams of washed boneless and skinless chicken. To that I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. Along with that, here I'm also going to add 3/4 teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of chili sauce, half tablespoon of soy sauce, half tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of cornflour, and 1 beaten egg. I'm now going to mix all these ingredients really well and leave this for marination for a period of 1 hour. After 1 hour, I'm then going to take a pan and add enough oil to it to either deep fry or shallow fry the piece of the chicken. Once the oil is hot enough, I'm then going to gently add pieces of chicken to it. After adding all the pieces of the chicken, I'm then going to fry this for a period of 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, once the pieces of chicken have turned to a golden color, you can now take all of these pieces and keep it aside. I'm then going to take a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil to it. After adding the oil, here I'm then going to add 6 chopped garlic cloves, 2 sticks of curry leaves, 2 chopped green chilies, and after adding all these ingredients, here I'm also going to add 1 medium-sized onion. I'm now going to fry this for a period of 4 minutes until the time the onions become nice and soft. After 4 minutes, you can then add 1 capsicum to it. After adding capsicum, you can fry this for another 1 minute. After 1 minute, here you can then add 1 tablespoon of chili sauce, 3/4 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 3/4 tablespoon of green chili sauce, and 3/4 teaspoon of salt. After adding all these sauces and the salt, I'm then going to mix this really well with the onions and the capsicum and fry this for another 1 minute. After frying it for a minute, I'm then going to add the pieces of chicken which I had kept aside earlier. After adding the pieces of chicken, I'm then going to mix this really well with the rest of the dish and fry this for another 3 minutes. After frying it for 3 minutes, as you can see here, the chicken has mixed really well with the sauces, the onions and the capsicum. I'm now going to switch off the flame and your dish is ready to be served.